Commitment. It seems to be one of those things that you get from some needy guy when you don't want it, and then when you do want it, he seems to not want to give it to you at all. You ladies out there are probably thinking, why does life have to be so complicated? So in this video, I'm going to explain why and how to get him to beg you and only you for commitment. Keep watching. Hey there, Adam Littleche from sexyconfidence.com, where I help you create your love story. And this video is all about making a guy beg you for commitment. So here's the deal. Have you ever heard the saying, why buy a cow when you can get the milk for free? If he is getting everything that he wants from you, both emotionally and physically, but doesn't have to commit to you, then honestly, why would he? So for starters, you have to stop giving him the milk, aka the sexual girlfriend experience, meaning that you will sleep with him, treat him like a boyfriend, make him nice dinners, and give him everything that he'd want emotionally, but you're not asking for anything in return, and you don't have boundaries set for what this whole thing really is. You don't give him any of that stuff until he makes the decision, and he makes that decision to commit to you. So you're probably wondering, how do you make him make that decision? Well, bear in mind, commitment is really just a decision. It's a decision to want to be with a person. And there are really two different ways that people make decisions to commit to another person. There's what I call external commitment decisions, and there are what I call internal commitment decisions, and they are very different. External commitment decisions come from pressure from the outside. Maybe his parents want him to finally get a girlfriend, or maybe you are giving him an ultimatum, or maybe you have a timeline where you want to have children and he better get off his ass to make it happen. These are all external commitment decisions that, yes, they may make a guy commit, but he's not necessarily going to stick to that decision. Whereas an internal commitment decision is a decision that he makes on his own to want to be with you and only you. And here's the thing about internal commitment decisions. They may take a little longer to make, but once they are made, you will defend them to the very end. Because he makes this decision on his own, because he wants to actually be with you, and he wants it on a very, very deep level. It's very similar to when you go buy something at a store. If you have a salesperson who's like being really pushy and you go ahead and buy the thing, you're gonna go home and be like, you know what, screw it. I'm gonna return this because this isn't really what I wanted. Whereas if you go to the store and you make that decision on your own and you're really excited about that decision, you're gonna go home and be really excited and you're gonna stand by your decision because you made it without any pressure. So you want the guy to make the decision to commit to you on his own. So now let's get to the topic of this video, how to make him beg you to commit to him. Well, the only way to do it is to stop giving him that milk for free, and then secondly, that being with you has to be better than being single. If when he's with you, he's getting support, he's getting vulnerability, he's getting sexual intimacy, he's getting real connection, and he's getting an overall great feeling when he's with you, he will want to commit to you to be with you. On the other hand, if he's with you and all he gets is nagging, he gets judgment, he gets complaints, he gets negativity about how you're never with him, he's not going to commit to you. So moving forward, I don't want you to give any more ultimatums. I don't want you to force a guy into committing to you because of an external decision. I want him to make that internal decision on his own. And if he doesn't make that internal decision, you follow the advice in this video, then you know what? It's his loss. Moving on. I want you to leave a comment right there below saying, I deserve commitment. No more of these casual situations. Set yourself up for an amazing life of an incredibly loving and healthy relationship. And if you enjoyed this video and you're sick of falling into this casual trap of finding guys who are only interested in the casual stuff, click the link in the description, click the link over there to learn how to find the right guy who's going to commit to you and only you. If you enjoyed the video, also please give a like on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe on YouTube, and I will speak to you next week, you sexy single lady. Thank you so much. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.